Hi, hello, Dr. Stock viewers. Welcoming you all to my new video. So, in this video, we're going to detail see about the two IPOs which is getting closed by today. So, the reason being to say is it is going to be one of the wonderful investment opportunity, my dear friends. And in short term, we're going to get minimum of 30 to 60% in these two IPOs. Let me go ahead and explain about the two IPOs which is ending today. The first one to see on IPO today is the Clean Science IPO. Clean Science IPO is nothing but it's an chemical industry, specialty chemical player which is coming to the IPO, and that is the small introduction about this company. So we're going to detail see about how fundamentally the company looks and as per the valuations and what are the expected listed gains. All these things one by one shortly. So Clean Science IPO is specifically into the specialty chemical business, and moving on directly with the profit and loss statement of the Clean Science specialty chemicals industry. Okay, so the revenue of this company is consistently growing, right? From 393 crores, it is 419 crore in 2020, and right now it is in 512 crore. Means that it is rising in a maximum revenue of around very close to 14% on a yearly basis. It is getting growth, and operating EBITDA is consistently growing. Again, it is growing in the percentage of 35 from 2019 till 2021. Means that from 139 crore the EBITDA, right now it is moved to 255 in the past 3 years. So that is a 35% growth. And moving on with the operating EBITDA margin, again it is going in an increasing way. That is from 35%, it went to 49% in 2021. That is one of the very good thing in the streets as of now when we are going with the specialty chemicals. And the PAT is also consistently growing. It is from 97 crore in 2019 and it is grown to 198 crore, almost close to 50%. So the change is consistently around very close to 43%. So PAT margin is also growing very good from 24% right now it is to 38. So company is giving a very good profit when seeing the book on the profit and loss. So moving on with the other basic things like ROE, ROCE, and PE and PB. Okay, so we are going to compare this with the industry peers as well. So here, Clean Science Technology is giving a return on ROE of around return on equity of around very close to 36.78, which is currently the best among the industry. And to compare with this, what is the other next listed pair which is very close to this is SRF Limited, which is very close to 20.3. ROCE, again, Clean Science Technology is having a very good highest amount, that is when compared with the peers, it is very close to 74%. So when we compare the peer group, our tool is having very close to 25. So that is what we have with ROCE. Again, it's a very, very good ROCE, means that they are utilizing their capital in a very good way. And moving on with the P by E, that is profit to earnings. So comparison with the listed peers, again here they are having slightly higher when compared with the other things like here Clean Science IPO is around very close to 48. When we compare with the listed peers, it is SRF Limited, which is in the price of very low at the moment, like 36. So price per book value, again we have Clean Science is slightly higher here with 17.7. And when we have a look on the other players here, Camlin Fine Sciences is the one which is available in a lower way. So means that it is not below or it is not above. It is like in the minimal way of the expectation at this moment for this IPO. So that is all what we have for this IPO as of now. So this is coming in the price band of around very close to 900. So that is 880 to 900. So we'll be going with the higher band like 900, and the minimum lot size here is 16. And the main thing here is everything which is coming to the issue right now. It is a 15,046 crore issue, and everything is completely offer for sale, and the face value is 1 year. So, and one more important thing, if you are not holding any specialty chemical stock, right? So you can go ahead and subscribe for this. Like you can have a good portfolio here as well. So right now, the listing price will be very much close to 50% from here, like it would be like 900, right? It would be like plus 450. It will be coming very close to 1300 plus on a listing day. That is what we have at the moment for Clean Science IPO. Let's move to the other one. So today is the last date, and we have another 1 hour for this to get complete. So try to go ahead and check your luck, my dear friends. So moving on to the other IPO for the day, which is nothing but our GR Infraprojects. So it is basically the infra company. So they are into the infra side. That is what we have about this company, and we will straightly go to the profit and loss of this, and we will go with the other parameters as well. So revenue from operation is growing in a continuous way. So it is growing in a range of around very close to 20%. So revenue for 2019 it is very close to 5,380 crore. Revenue for 2020 is around very close to 6,370 crore, and revenue for 2020 is around very close to 7,800 crore. So operating EBITDA, it is around very close to 15% increase on a year-to-year basis from 13,083 crore to 1,849 as of now. So coming to EBITDA margin, so it is getting slightly declined from 25.7 to 23.5. So this need to be noted. PAT is considerably rising in a range of around 15%. So again, PAT margin is slightly suffering here because like it is an infra company, there will be some ups and downs. That is what we can see. So comparatively, let's go ahead and see about the other peer which are available in the market, and let's see what is the output, and what can be done for this, and we'll see all other things in upcoming things. So when we go ahead and check for the operating income when comparatively with the other peers, right? So we have Ashoka Buildcon, Dilip Buildcon, Hindustan Construction Company, KNR Constructions, P&C Infra, and Sadbhav Engineering. So all others are the peer group for this. Okay. When comparatively with all these things, the 5-year CAGR for GR infrastructure is very much higher. So they are all in below 20 or close to that only. So GR infra is slightly higher in the CAGR. And on year growth percentage also, they are good. They are occupying a very good thing. And the peer here is P&C Infra. They are operating 1 year growth is around very close to 59%. And for GR Infra, it is very close to 22%. So operating income is also good here, around very close to 60,304 crore. It is very good actually when comparatively other things. It is not crore, it is in million. So it will be like 603 crore. When comparatively with others, these are uh, the second highest when compared to others. Like Dilip Bilgan is making a turnover around 895 crore. And coming on to the PAT, they are also leading in the industry with 688 crore when comparatively with other peers. So we have PNC Infra, which is coming in the next with 460 crore, and after that we will have Dilip Bilgon. So that is very good as of now. Operating profit margin when compared to others, GR is right now the second largest. So first largest would be KNR Construction. So this is a very important operating profit margin at times for infra companies. And the 5-year CAGR, it is very good. So that is what we have for this components when comparatively other. So on an other, it would be like either our second highest or first highest. That is what all the parameter for fundamental is showing for GR as of now. Let's check the other parameters like ROCE and other things for GR when comparatively with the other peers. So EBITDA, fine. They are also very close to that. So KNR is leading this because of the higher operating profit margin. So they are very close to 1% difference. Like KNR is with 23 and they are with 22%. So that is fine. And return on capital employed, GR Infra is leading with 32.2%. So that is very high in this category. PNC Infra is the one which is having very close to 28. So interest coverage, this is one thing we have to see. So interest coverage is around very close to 9.1. So that is fine. And when we say about the debtor days, so means that at what time the credit will be coming to there when the account is getting completed, right? So that is also comparative to other peers. This is lower, like they have only 50 days. That is very good. And payable date is also very good. It is very close to 59 days. And when compared to others, that is slightly others in others. I am slightly higher in others. So then we gonna see about ROE, return on equity. Return on equity is also higher right now in this infra. So when comparatively with other peers, okay, it is PNC infra which is having very close to 20%. So ROE is right now 27.8 for GR. So that is one of the very good thing. And when we check the total debt, right, so it is around very close to 0.8 in GR infra. That is fine. Anything below 1 is fine. So when we see that with other peers, we have like 0.4 in both KNR and PNC. So comparatively, it is good only, no issues. Now moving on with the order book for key players. Okay, we have to see the order book as well for infra projects, so that will be looking good. So right now the order book for GR is very close to 222 crore. So that is fine when comparatively to others in this peer. So right now the order book for Dilip Buildcon is slightly higher with 261 crore. So that is what we have as of now in the order book as well. So it is having good work in place as well. So when compared with the streets, it is not below or it is not above. It is in line with the streets, so we can expect a decent returns on this IPO as well. So when going ahead and checking about some of the positives and negatives of this company is like first, I would like to say about the positives. Like it is having a good order book, it is having a good return of equity, and it is having a good return on capital employed, and it is having a good value. Okay, valuation base and other things. They are using their, capital employed, right? So whatever money they have invested, they are using that in a very effective way. So that's all are the positives. So because infras are slightly getting down and up in this specific situation of past 1 to 2 years because of this pandemic. So again, this GR is doing good here. So that is one point to be noted. And going on with the negatives, this company specifically is holding around very close to 12 companies as subsidiaries. And what I can see in the subsidiaries is majority of this subsidiaries, right, they have more pledges, like around very close to 30 to 100% pledges are there in the subsidiaries. Like they have Renugas, GR Pargao, and they have some almost close to 12 companies with them in the name of GR. They have something with the Express Highway Limited, Private Limited, all these things. So everything is there in the retiring prospectus. So with that information, we can see that is the only problem with the company, since the promoters are holding the other 12 companies as well. So in one specific company, 100% is also pledged. So that is Varanasi Sangam Express Private Limited. So that's all the negative I have now for this. And again, going on with the listing gains for this, and I'll come to that, like very close to 30%, you can expect a listing gain for this for sure. So moving on with the IPO details and other things, let's have a look on this. So this is a book building IPO, and the issue size is around very close to 963 crore, and everything is offer for sale. Again, that this need to be noted. And the price band here is lower band is 828, and the higher band is 837. Lot size is 17, and minimum lot is 14 to 29. That is minimum lot of investment. That is 17 shares for 14 to 29. And for maximum, you can go for a 13 lots with price 199,206. So it is getting listed in both BSE and NSE. That's all we have. And the issues are closing today. The allotment will be there in next 5 days. That will be there on 14th, and refund will happen on 15th. And it is opening for trading on 19th. In another 10 days, you'll be getting it. So very sure you can try a luck in both this, because both these companies are very strong in fundamentals and they are doing very good as of now. So a very good possible listing gain is there. of minimum 30% to 50% in GR and minimum 40 to 60% listing gain in clean sales IPO. Thanks, friends. Thanks for watching this video. See you all shortly with yet another video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye. Take care.